Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His mercy endureth forever. 1 Chronicles 16 and verse 34.
I know you want me every day, not only when you're lonely. Yeah, you see you think you know me. You see my six eyes, lost when you look into my brown eyes. You see my lips always can make you switch skies. So why don't you stand up, baby?
Hey royals, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be installing this gorgeous 26-inch blonde skunk stripe unit from Ishow hair company today for you guys. So a bit about this unit. This is their 26-inch blonde skunk stripe body wave unit. This is also their 13x4 lace frontal unit, and this unit is super gorgeous, you guys, and I'm definitely in love with this skunk stripe unit. So I'll leave all the information in my description bar down below, as well as a discount code to save you 15% off of your purchase. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. So let's jump right into the installation process.
So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with Ishow Hair Company. They were gracious enough to send me over their 26-inch body wave blonde skunk stripe unit. So inside of the pouch along with the wig, I received a pair of stocking cap. So a bit about this unit. This is their 250% density 13x4 lace frontal unit. So a bit about the inside cap construction of this wig. It has two combs on each side of the unit, one to the back, and it also comes with adjustable straps as well. So I went ahead to bleach the knots on this wig and pre-plucked the unit to my liking. So let's jump right into the installation process.
So you guys, the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in partnership with Ishow Hair Company. So this is the unit right here. This is their 26-inch blonde skunk stripe unit. So this is how the unit looks. I went ahead to bleach the knot on this unit, and I also plucked it a little bit more. So this is the inside cap construction of this wig. It doesn't really have a lot of parting unit, and it is said to be 26 inches. It looks a bit shorter than 26 inches, to be honest. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna curl this unit. I'm not sure if I'm gonna flat iron it, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be doing a middle part or a side part. I'm just gonna wing it today. I love the blonde skunk color. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the extra lace and tint the unit. And to tint the lace, I'm gonna be using my Black Radiance True Contour palette. Everything with my spray.
So after tinting the lace, I'm just going to apply the unit on my head. I went ahead to do my ball cap method before, so I'm just gonna go and cut down the lace into smaller sections to the front and cut off the extra lace around my ear tabs area. So I'm going in with my Kiss Almighty glue, and I'm going to be applying 2 layers of this glue today to do this install, and I'm just gonna blend everything out with my razor comb. And once everything is blended out, I'm going in with my blow dryer to make sure that the glue is tacky before I apply the unit. So once the glue is tacky, I'm just gonna pull the lace into the glue, and then I'm going in with my rat tail comb to further melt everything in place. And once the lace has been melted, I'm going in with my razor comb just to cut off the extra lace to the front, and then I'm going in with my GOT2BE Blast free spray just to set everything in place. And to further melt the lace, I'm going in with my Fantasia Super Hole Sprit just to set everything in place. So I'm just gonna begin to prep my hair for the styling portion of this video. So I decided to do a side part on this unit today. So I'm just parting out the section where I'm going to be laying the hair, and then I'm going in with my Isoplus hair sheen just to spray the top portion, and over that with my thermal hot comb. So I'm just going to begin the curling process on this unit today. So I'm going in with my curling iron just to give the hair a little bit of volume. So once I'm done curling each section, I'm just going to pin them up individually. So once I'm done with my pin curls, I'm just gonna set everything in place with my GOT2BE Blast freeze spray, and after about half an hour, this is how the lace is melted, you guys. It's definitely giving. So I'm gonna be starting on my baby hairs. So today I'm just gonna be doing a minimalistic amount of baby hairs. And to lay my edges, today I'm going in with my holy grail, my Gorilla Snot Gel in Punk, and I'm just gonna swoop my baby hairs in the direction I want them to go until I'm satisfied. So once I'm done finessing my edges, I'm going in with my Fantasia Super Hold Spritz just to set everything in place, and over that with my blow dryer. So once I'm done taking out the pin curls, I'm going over with my hot comb just to sleek the top portion of this unit down, and I'm just gonna finesse this unit to my liking. And to conclude this installation process, I'm going in with my black opal foundation in the shade Carob, and over that with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 355, and back over again with my Fantasia Spritz just to set to the top portion of this unit. So thank you so much for watching this installation video, and see you in my next one, and God bless.
So you guys, this is the end result of this bodywave skunk stripe unit from Ishow Hair Company, and this unit is super gorgeous, and it's for a melanin complexion skin tone. So women of color, this unit is for you. So this unit is 26 inches, and it's also a 13x4 lace frontal unit. So I went ahead to bleach the knots on this wig, and I did pre-pluck the hair. So this unit retails for $261.06 on their Ishow Beauty page. So I'll leave all the information in my description bar down below, as well as a discount code, so you can save 15% off of your purchase. The texture on this unit is really nice, you guys. I am loving this skunk unit. It is said to be 26 inches, but it's giving me more of a 24-inch feel. So far so good, you guys. This unit is gorgeous, and it's giving what it's supposed to. Color is really nice. It's a bit out of my comfort zone, but it is definitely a gorgeous must-have unit. Thank you so much for watching this installation process. So until next time, see you in my next video, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do.